Howdy, folks. How is everyone doing? Everyone out there in YouTube land. Just got a new piece of gear in that I've been waiting on for about 2 months now. Little known fella goes by the name of Rebels Raiders has come out with a new bag called the Apothecary Medical Bag. This is kind of a chest rig slash MERS slash bailout bag slash IFAC slash tampon toter or whatever else you wanna put in there. But it's a pretty cool kit. I've been very impressed with. I just got it in the mail yesterday. I have not done any packing out of it yet. I wanted to just show it off to everyone in all its naked glory first, and then I will proceed to see how many things I can cram into it. So first things first, here it is. It's got a little flippy flap in the front there. It does have a red tab, so if you want to set it up for a quick deployment option, you can definitely do that. Shove these little bits in here that are extra. That cool thing about Rebels Raiders is he does all his kits to where they are as versatile as possible with other kits you may already have. The buckles work with other buckles. It's got a delete panel on the back, so if you want to stick it to a carrier or put a dangler on here or whatever, you can do that. This strap even doubles as a sling, that if you want to throw it on a rifle or just have a quick adjust, you can do that with this. That's the buckles on the inside that, you can pull these off, put them on a rifle, and quick clip these into the sling if you're just using this as a placard or something. Man's thinking outside the box and trying to make this as accessible as possible to everyone he can. So the main thing with the apothecary is the center section, right? This is the medical portion. Quick pull tab obviously there, or you can tuck it in if you're maybe using it for something else, or you don't just want a big old red flopper hanging out here. Pack your medical in. You've got a section on either side for, you can throw AR mag. I'm sure AK mag would fit there as well. You've got some loops here, elastic loops. You've also got some sections right here that will accept 2 pistol mags on either side, or if you want to do pistol mag, AR mag, and maybe radio, that's very much an option. You say, oh, well, that's not that much room. Look at this, full loop field on the inside, both sides. So if you've got another placard or something you want to stick on the inside, if you've got a Velcro holster for a pistol, maybe a concealed carry or something, you could stick that in there. Or you could just use it as an admin panel, additional medical, little sustainment, throw some snacks, compass, whatever. I like the way this thing is looking because it is so versatile. You can set it up to whatever, however you want to do it. So quick, take a look at the site here. And the other cool thing is $50. $50 for a not made in China. It is not American made. It's American designed. He was a Marine. He's been around gear. He knows what works, what doesn't. $50 gets you in the door with this, and you can do a coyote, forest, ranger, green, God's pattern M81 here. You can see the versatility with it. I'll leave a link up for Rebels Raiders in the description. You can go through, and they are teaming up with Refuge. I think they're doing a refill kit for it. So if you don't have your own medical and you need some medical, you can go to Refuge. Or I just recently did a video on a very, very well done IFAC. That's what, if y'all want to see a video of that, I will probably do take that kit and see how well it'll fit in this apothecary. So maybe a little bit budget option, but it's not budget gear. It's all North American Rescue, cat tourniquet, things like that. So we'll see what we can fit in here if y'all would like to check that out. But I want to give you a first look with it naked. See how it comes out of the box. Obviously, take these off, and you'll have your loops, and you got your drain holes in here. Very versatile piece of kit. Rebels Raiders. I'm liking it. Got some elastic loops here, so you can do Sharpies or chem lights, glow sticks, and mirrored on both sides. So you do have a loop panel here as well for, if you want to do a name tape or something. A little skinny morale patch, whatever you think you might want to put there. Stitching is all very good on this thing. Very beefy. YKK zippers. Not paid to say all this, but for the $50, made in Vietnam, I'm very impressed. I've not seen a loose thread on it. Everything's looks very solid. Bar tacks, triple stitched, all the things where they should be. I think it is also NIR rated, so you shouldn't get much reflectivity out of this if you are working under nods or you're worried about that sort of thing. But probably what I'm going to do, this is going to be a truck bag for me. Throw some ammo in here, IFAC, quick go bag, maybe a compass, maybe a local map, some things on the inside, but it's going to be a quick thing. I can, quickly grab it, and I can man purse it, or, you can even cinch it up here, and it's got the waist belt, so you could, even without having, he does do an H harness for some of his other kits that will clip right into this. You can do, chest rig, or if you want it to hang a little lower, you could still do the waist strap and go around you. So I would highly recommend check it out. They're all sold out right now, so too bad. Probably after the first of the year, he is going to do another drop. I would keep your eyes out for that. But very high quality piece of kit for not a lot of money. He does plate carriers. He's talking about doing a slick carrier. So singing his praises right now. I've been, like I said, very impressed so far. You can get like an entire kit, carrier, this, that, basically make a recce rig out of it, all for like $250 or something. So very reasonable. Of course, it doesn't come with plates and any of the fun, cool guy stuff. But if you want to train, have something, do the Minuteman, do the LARPing, do the airsoft, I recommend it. So if you want to see a loadout video, I will do that. Let me know down in the comments. Do a like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Or if you want to do a hype, be awesome as well. There's going to be more to come with this, and give it some long-term testing. But honestly, the way just the construction of it, I mean, it feels like old school military surplus that's overbuilt because they know how the grunts use and abuse things. So recommend it. Rebel Raiders Apothecary Med Bag. Check it out. Well, Might be able to pre-order. Like I said, they're out of stock right now, but if you got one, I'm sure you're gonna love it. Definitely going into my truck and some of my daily rotation for, you know, whenever things go weird. Another thing, be a cool bedside bag. If you hear a bump in the night, you could have your med, you could have a couple preloads, throw a flashlight on here. You know, be run around naked and just throw this over you. Grab your pistol or your bedside AR or whatever, however your boat floats. So check it out. Keep an eye out for it. There's more to come from him, I know. That's all I got on that right now. If you want to see more, let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe. Thank y'all for getting through this so far, and we will see you next time with another gear review or some opinions or something stupid. Probably going to be something stupid. Thanks for checking us out. Y'all have a great day, and y'all be safe.